Hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today I have the liquid air from Spigen for my Google Pixel 8a here. Now this is going to be $16.99 on Amazon right now with Prime shipping. There is a 5% off discount that you can apply at checkout instantly. So if you are interested in scooping this up for your Pixel 8a after watching this video, then you know what to do. Go down in the description and click my affiliate link. So let's get this bad boy open. So pretty simple as far as the pull tab and everything goes. You just kind of lift it up and you're greeted with the case inside of the plastic wrapping here. And voila. So this is the Abyss green color, as you can see here. So a little bit different. Usually I'm a big fan of black cases, but there is something to be said about the Abyss green color lineup from Spigen. But with the liquid air, it's a pretty nice looking case here. In the interior, we do have the very recognizable spider web pattern inside there. It does say air cushion technology right there. So we are getting those little tiny air cushions or airbags, if you will, inside of the corners that when you do drop it, it will help dissipate the energy away from the phone and hopefully, kind of avoid a break. But let's go ahead and get it on. So got my obsidian black one here, and we'll pop it on, and there it is. So installed, looks pretty good, very plain Jane. I really appreciate just the kind of simplicity of the liquid air case. One thing I have said is with the actual pattern that this case has, it always reminds me kind of like a tire for some reason. Not really sure why, but it always has. But it does have kind of a smooth back. It's not the grippiest case in the world, but it is what it is. No fingerprint issues, but smudging might be sometimes a thing depending on how oily your hands are. But honestly, the liquid air does a pretty good job of kind of avoiding those as well. And then with the Pixel 8a, just with that super slim camera bump there, as you can see there, the visor is just pretty non-existent, which is really nice. But the lenses are nicely protected in there, a little recessed in there, so you are getting some good lens protection. And of course, we have a hole punch out there for the flash. But that's the back there. And if we look over here to the side, this is kind of where it is a little more busy, obviously. So we got the power button here with some teeth. We have the volume up and down button, and then we do have some little grippy patterns here that are gonna just kind of help a little bit with making the grip a little bit better. And then of course we have the little holes there for some lanyards if you like to rock a lanyard. At the top we do have a hole punch there for the microphone up top, and then on the side it's just that ribbed pattern once again with some Spigen branding right there. And then at the bottom we do have a nice cutout for the USB-C charging port, and then the two speaker grills right there, as you can see. And then if we look at it from this angle here, you can see that we do have some lips that are going around the actual front of the phone. So we are getting some decent lip protection there. And then if we look at it from the top down view, you can see that it is a fairly slim case. So it's not like it's a massive thick case, it's very thin. And then if you take a peek here, that's the look of the design of how they do the cutout for the earpiece there. And it is tempered glass friendly as well. So yeah, not too shabby. Now let's go ahead and do the wobble test real quick. So face down, there is no shaking going on. And if we go back down, there is no shaking going on either. So it is a non-shaky wobbly case, which I absolutely love. Now let's go ahead and test the clicky buttons. So power button, very clicky. All right, volume up and down. All right, so passes with flying colors. So if you like clicky buttons, guys, these pass big time. So no complaints at all. Okay, so last but not least, wireless charging capabilities. So got a MagSafe charger here, and as you can see, it is working just fine. So wirelessly charging the device. So this case is definitely going to allow you to do Qi wireless charging, wireless pay, so if you do Google Pay and stuff like that, you're going to be completely fine. So with all that being said, guys, the case is good. I mean, it's a Spigen case. I love Spigen cases. It is the Liquid Air, which always seems to be a popular case on my channel. But like I said, the only thing that I'm not a huge fan of is I just feel like the back is a little too smooth for my taste. It's not like it's a bad thing. It does have a matted finish. And when I am holding it like this, like I said, with this ribbed sides here, it does help to improve that grip. And it does feel pretty damn good in the hands. But like I said, that's my only knock on this case, is just, like I said, it's just, I don't know, it's just a little too smooth for me. But once again, it also depends on how cold or hot it is outside, how oily your hands are, all that. So anyways, so yeah, like I said, if you want it, check down in the description. I will have my link down there. It does support the channel if you use it. So hit the like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.